Good morning and welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I need to do, but I also find time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I don't get everything done all at once. I spread it over time, such as days, weeks, and even months, and I don't forget to take some time out for myself. I have so much little things going on to attract happiness in my life. I have a regular pedicure at the salon. I listen to my favorite podcast, listen to music. I do have a little dance schedule that I'm still enjoying. It's been going on for a little while and I'm really enjoying it as well. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. And I just find time to have some fun for myself and get some of those happy endorphins going. If this is something that might interest you, feel free to join in. It is an open collaboration, and all you have to do is just plan out your weekly chores, to-dos, appointments, tasks, errands, all that good stuff. Upload your video, and it's hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. And also, if you can tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles in your title, I would really appreciate it. So let's begin. I have planned for today, which is the 11th of August, and as per usual, I have got my compulsory clean for the week, and then I potter around and I get things done by using the Fly Lady cleaning zone method. So every week I do all the beds, I bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, I hoover everywhere, and I do my budget. And my budget is done on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, just so I can keep on top of things. On a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I wash and dry the clothes. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, I fold and pack away, just so I don't feel overwhelmed with and bombarded with a load of clothes. I do the wash and dry one day, and then I do the fold and pack away the following day. And what I have to do now is incorporate my ironing. I'll tell you a little bit more about that as I go along. But anyway, so it's zone 5 this week, and sometimes the zones run into a new month, but I don't worry about that. I just leave it as it is and just do the zones week by week as I go along. So for zone 5 for this week is declutter places that I need to look through and get rid of stuff. I need to pack them up for the charity, what needs to go to the charity as well. And I usually put them in the boot of the car until I'm ready to take them. And then I've got to tidy the craft room. I've got my filing to do. I've got the living room alcoves and the top shelves that I want to dust down and polish, and I want to do the windows in and out and check my freezer, what's going on in there. So that is it for this week. And because I don't list it on each day, I don't want to get bored with what I do, so I just have a look and decide what I want to do on what day, or each day comes around, and I get it done. And I feel more productive when I do it like that, because I don't like restricting myself to specific days, if that makes sense. I just like to look up my list and think, okay, today's Tuesday, what have I got to do? I know compulsory, I've got folding and packing to do, and then I'll just check my zones and see what I have got, and I'll take something from there and get on with it. So that's what I usually do. On a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I take a walk, and I've added Saturdays now for the past 2 weeks. And on a Wednesday, I do have a walking group, so I do get a double walking session in on a Wednesday. On Thursday it's movie night, so I've got here movies and chill, but I don't actually go to the movies. I watch something at home. I choose to watch something at home. I used to go to the movies, but I used to go to afternoon movies. I never did go to night movies. Really, really enjoyed the afternoons. Quiet when the children are at school, and it might be just me in the cinema. And the love, of course, but I enjoyed afternoon going to the movies. But no, movies at home, and I do enjoy it. Get to put my feet up, have a snack and whatever. Did I say Monday, Wednesday and Friday I like to do my budget? I think I did. So Saturday now, I usually like crafting all day, and because I incorporated the walk-in again now on a Saturday, I usually do a long walk, maybe about an hour, hour and a half, something like that. I really, really challenge myself. Because my mind is saying to me, go back home. No, you don't need to go that far. You're moving too far away from home, blah, 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 blah. And then I just challenge myself. I put my headphones on and I just do a cardio, and it's been really working since I started that. So that's that for Saturday. Church on Sunday. And on a Wednesday and Sunday I have a foot soak straight after my walking group, and then after church I have a foot soak. So that is it for this week. What did I want to say about the ironing? That's right, the ironing. Usually I iron as I go along, but what I'm finding now, I've just had my bedroom renovated. I've had it stripped of wallpaper, filling all the cracks. I have had it painted, re-wallpapered, new flooring and all that good stuff. And I had to empty out all my wardrobes, and I had the things under the gazebo in the garden, covered over of course with plastic and stuff. And I went through a lot of stuff, and I got the opportunity while they were out in my face to do some more decluttering and really deciding, look, I've had it in the wardrobe for years now. I haven't worn it. I'm not going to wear it. Get rid and what have you. So I got to do that. And then there was a lot of clothes that I don't wear because they needed ironing. Sometimes I just wash, and once they've dried I put them on hangers and hang them up in the wardrobe, and they need ironing, and I don't get to wear them because I go into the wardrobe and I look at them and I think, oh, that needs ironing. No, I can't be bothered today, so I don't get to wear them. So what I'm going to do is incorporate a day now where I can do some ironing, and it only has to be 10 minutes at a time. You'll be surprised what you get through in 10 minutes, and they don't have to be pristine iron with every crease out of it, for me anyway, personally speaking, for me, because by the time you sit down, you move around, it gets creased up anyway. So I will take 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops to do my ironing. So I'm going to incorporate it in one day somewhere. I'll think about it and do that, because if I'm washing and drying on a Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I think I might be able to perhaps incorporate it in a Tuesday, Thursday or Saturday. No, definitely not Saturday, because sometimes I have a day out of London on a Friday or Saturday, so I don't want to put too many things. But it'll have to be on a Tuesday or Thursday. I suppose I can do it on a Thursday. I mean, I could even do some of it while I'm watching a movie or a series. I'll think about it, but I think I will definitely be incorporating my ironing, so I get a chance to wear all those clothes that I can't be bothered to wear that's in a wardrobe and they're all creased up. I hope you like how I decorated it. I used these 3 washi tapes That's coming to the end now. You can see the brown piece underneath. I might just stick that into a swatch now. Yeah. And these two, that's coming to an end as well. And so is this. Not much left. So I'm just having such fun using up my washi tapes and seeing when I have to dump the empty rolls. I really do enjoy it. And then I used, of course, my trusted Happy Planner memory keeping sticker book, and the tiny sticker book as well, and this little sticker book that I think I got from I'm not sure, I think AliExpress or Temu. These flowers has come off of Pinterest. I printed them out and I fussy cut them, and here they are looking splendid. I've got a dwarf sunflower coming up, so I'm hoping that it blooms before the autumn sets in. This one, I'm not quite sure what this is, but it's so pretty. Anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and here's to a great start of the week. Bye for now.